You just found the 2026 Chevrolet 3500 HD Chassis Cab. The Chevrolet 3500 HD Chassis Cab CC is a heavy-duty pickup truck designed for robust performance and versatility. It features a 6.6-liter V8 gasoline engine or a 6.6-liter Duramax V8 turbo diesel engine, paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission. The 3500 HD-CC offers both rear-wheel drive and four-wheel drive options and comes in regular cab and crew cab configurations. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, satellite radio, premium sound system, Bluetooth connection, alarm, electronic stability control, intermittent wipers, traction control, passenger vanity mirror, tire pressure monitoring system. With a high payload capacity and impressive towing capabilities, the 3500 HD CC is ideal for heavy-duty work and commercial use.